Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I will do Get Ready with Me. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is for beginners. First, I clean my face well. My face feels fresh. I apply a light cream. Then I use a little foundation. I spread it gently on my face. My skin looks smooth. Next, I apply some powder. It makes my face soft. I like a natural look. Now I do my eyes. I use light eyeshadow. I apply a small amount of eyeliner. After that, I apply mascara. My eyes look bright. I feel happy. Then I apply blush on my cheeks. It gives a soft color. I smile. Finally, I apply lip balm or light lipstick. My lips feel soft. Now I am ready. I look in the mirror. I feel confident and calm. Thank you for watching.